to the Aussie Scale Modeller midweek challenge, one build for the Mackay Scale Modelers Expo. It's up there on 30th of April, 1st of May. In the area, please guys pop in and say hello. Really would like to see your awesome faces. Come and see some incredible modelers up there. And hey, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like, subscribe, come and share the torment of this build. That'd be really appreciated. Yeah guys, and also don't forget We'll try that again. Aussie Modelers live on Sunday night, 6 PM every Sunday. Queensland time, that is, here in Australia. Well, still working on this thing, slowly getting there. It's a struggle every step of the way. Anyway guys, got my Outlaw coffee cup there, full of coffee. I'm going to keep on working here. You guys can sit back and enjoy, and yeah, I'll chat from you from time to time. Well, here we go, moving into the test fitting stage. As you can see guys, everything needs to be trimmed, every single piece, flashing, you name it. So test fitting everything here, making sure it goes in. And surprisingly, after a massive amount of trimming, a lot of filing, yep, got some success. Making sure everything is going in the right spot. Yep. Upside down, roundabout. Fitting. Hey guys, again, Aussie Modelers Live, 6 PM on Sunday nights with Hibbo from Hibbo's Model Bench, Pete from Scale Modelling, two awesome, absolute legend guys. And yeah, it's all about us guys, the Australian model scene, and we're really trying to take everything, I mean everything we can possibly get our hands on and share it with the world about the Australian modelling scene. So yeah, let's kick on. And don't forget guys, we have coming up, that's what this build's about, the Mackay Scale Modelers Model Comp in 2022, 30th of April to 1st of May. Come up and see everybody there. You've got Wayne there from BB's Hobbies, and one of the major sponsors, and yeah, great supporter of the channel. Again, guys, not sponsors. I'm not paid to do any of this. Just supporters, people who have been behind me pretty much the whole way. So thank you to everybody, including the Mackay Scale Modelers. Great bunch of human beings. Come on, visit us up there. It's going to be a great lot of fun. Right, we'll just about got everything ready for paint. Throw the outlaw primer on it, and yeah. God, I love blue tack. And my icky sticky glue there. Thank you, Monique, and thank you so much, especially for the debonder. That's what I've always said. I was no way a great modeler, so mistakes were made, many. Oh, that's right, these brushes, guys, or there's a couple of brushes I'm using. You can grab them on sticky.com.au. Awesome brushes. You get the choice, you've got the synthetic or your natural. I'm using natural, that's my preference when I brush, especially in the detail work. Yeah, just find me personally that it holds and flows the paint better. That's over my years of modelling. So yeah, and guys, do us a favour, leave us some comments on if the videos are getting better with camera work and stuff like that, and hints and tips on what more you'd like me to do or improve on. So yeah, please leave your comments and likes and all that sort of stuff there, and that'd be great. Always trying to improve on anything I do, including 60-year-old kids. Yeah, moving right along, guys. I'd like to again love my activator here. Much appreciated, Monique. Great product, and since I do stuff up a fair bit and debonded, awesome. But the activator, you've got it in the right position. Bang, bit of a spray, and it sets well, and it sets quick. So thank you very, very much. Well, guys, finally getting towards the end of this stage. Thanks for hanging with me. Really do appreciate it. And yeah, well, have a bit of a peek, guys. Look, I'd like to say thanks. Please like and subscribe and comment. Definitely comment, people. Hit that like and yeah. Thank you again, everyone. I'll keep running it through here. I'm trying to get the thing to darn focus. I'm not sure. Maybe it's lighting. I don't know what it is. But yeah. I'm working on it, folks. Working on it as best I can. But very proud of this moment. Getting it to this far with every issue I've had. A few more details to be painted in. But yeah. Here we go. Nice still of where I've ended up. So thanks, guys. And I'll see you for the next episode on the midweek build on the Challenger 1 Revell 60-year-old kit for the Mackay scale modelers.